Let's be real, the fear of that one wrong snip is why most of us have never trimmed our own natural hair. But what if I told you that you can get salon level layers at home? Last month, I gave myself the viral DIY butterfly cut on my 4B to 4C hair, and it was empowering. In the next 4 minutes, I'm giving you the exact foolproof map to nail this layered haircut at home, adding bounce and life to your curls without losing length. First, the golden rule. Only use sharp, professional hair cutting shears. Kitchen scissors will lead straight to split ends. You'll also need a fine-tooth comb, 4 hair ties, and a spray bottle with water and leave-in conditioner. Your hair should be damp, not soaking wet, to avoid shrinkage surprising you. Most importantly, detangle your hair meticulously. Gentle detangling now is the secret weapon for perfectly, even layers later. This is the viral butterfly haircut technique that makes it so easy. Flip your head upside down. First, gather the hair in front of your ears into a ponytail at your front hairline. This will create your face framing layers. Next, section the hair from ear to ear across the crown of your head and create a second ponytail right behind the first. Finally, gather all the remaining hair at your nape into a third ponytail, pulling it straight up towards the ceiling. This over direction creates those gorgeous cascading layers in the back. Let's cut. Start with the back ponytail. Slide your fingers down, leaving about an inch of ends. Now, don't cut straight across. The key is to point cut, making small, vertical snips into the hair. This softens the line and prevents a blocky look on curly hair. Repeat this on the middle ponytail, using the back one as your guide. For the front ponytail, be extra conservative. You can always cut more later. Once the bands are out, check for any uneven spots. Simply grab individual curls, twist them, and snip any stray ends. If this is making sense and you're ready for your new look, hit that like button to help other natural hair beauties find this tutorial. And if you're cutting along with me, drop a butterfly in the comments. I'd love to see your results. Now, let's finish this look. Here are 3 quick tips for cutting natural hair at home. 1. Never cut on fully blown out hair. Your natural shrinkage will be a shock. Always cut on damp, naturally coiled hair. 2. Don't skip the vertical snip. A horizontal cut will give you shelf-like layers instead of a soft, blended style. 3. Don't rush. A DIY layered haircut takes time, so be patient with yourself. Now for the fun part. For mega volume, use a pick at the roots. For super defined curls, rake in your favorite curl cream and air dry to let those new layers pop. To maintain your butterfly cut, moisture is everything. Always sleep in a satin bonnet or on a silk pillowcase to prevent friction and frizz. A quick morning spritz of water and aloe will reactivate your curls perfectly. I now trim my hair every 10 weeks using the same method in just 12 minutes. And there you have it. The keys to the perfect DIY butterfly haircut. 3 ponytails, vertical snips, and lots of moisture. Give your head a shake and get ready for the compliments. If you know someone who thinks black hair can't have layers, share this video. And subscribe for more easy natural hair tutorials. Welcome to your new layered life.